Huawei Mate 40 and Huawei Mate 40 Pro renders are here. This time Huawei is bringing humongous changes in their Huawei Mate 40 lineup. So the last year's Huawei Mate 30 Pro had really an amazing design when it comes to the display, as it had waterfall curved display. That was the best curved display I have ever seen on a smartphone. Along with the display, we also saw a new kind of circular shaped camera module. So first of all, let's have a look at the CAD renders of Mate 40. By the way, these renders were shared by OnLeaks as always. So this time the vanilla variant, I mean Mate 40, is going to have curved display, not flat. We saw last year the Huawei Mate 30 had flat display, but now according to these renders and news, the Mate 40 will also be having curved display this time, which will make this device more premium. Now what is that major change I was talking about? Then you might have already seen this thing. Yes, this is the camera module. Don't be afraid of this huge structure. Huawei is sticking with that circular shaped camera module but with increased size, and we can see really a big camera bump this time. So Huawei Mate 40 is having 3 cameras at the rear side, and there is an empty space for 4th sensor, which may have a LiDAR sensor as we have seen in iPads. And in case of Huawei Mate 40 Pro, there is an quad camera setup where the 4th sensor is an periscope zoom lens, which is absolutely an welcome upgrade for Mate 40 Pro. Now we don't have the specifications of cameras. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because as soon as I'll get them, I'll keep you updated with them on the channel. Along with the cameras, at the right side of the camera setup, we have LED flashlights, and all of the physical buttons are located at the right side of phone, as you can see. This means that this time we might not see that 90 degrees curved display on Pro variant, because in Mate 30 Pro we didn't had physical keys. There were just touch gestures, I would say virtual buttons. Now at the front side, both Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro are having dual punch hole camera designs, also known as pill-shaped camera design instead of notch. Renders end up here. As far as the specifications are concerned, then no specs have currently been leaked, but we can say this thing that phone is coming in the next 2 to 3 months maybe, because Huawei has confirmed that mass production of Kirin 1020 will begin in August, and this might be the processor which we would see in Huawei Mate 40 series. So stay tuned by subscribing to the channel for more info on this phone and other tech news, and I'll see you in the next one.